Welcome to another episode of Lazy Home Cook. Today, I will be making chicken marsala. Please remember to subscribe, press the like button, and leave a comment. Today's question, tell me what is your favorite easy recipe that you like to cook at home? I'd like to know. This is actually my first time making chicken marsala. So this recipe comes courtesy of my sister, Julie. She is much better home cook than myself. So here are the ingredients for her chicken marsala: shallot, flour, rosemary, kosher salt, garlic, parsley, black pepper, baby bella mushrooms. You can also use cremini mushrooms, but unfortunately my local grocery does not have cremini mushrooms, so I'm using baby bella mushrooms. Olive oil. Obviously you can't have chicken marsala without some good Marsala wine. This is a dry Marsala wine. Chicken stock. Chicken. This has been sitting in milk. Sometimes chicken has a bad odor, so this helps to get rid of the odor. Add salt, black pepper. Add minced garlic. Add some Marsala wine. Add some chicken broth. Add some heavy cream. Simmer until it thickens.
No! God, please, no! No!